Hey business owner, if you are the one who is continuously struggling to find your ideal customer, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going you to share 5 important ways. That's how you can get your ideal customer. And trust me, this is going to be really amazing for your business, because until unless you are not going to have the ideal customer, you are going to face lots of challenges in your business. So make sure you have watched this video till the end and don't forget to implement. Let's start the video with the number one. The number one thing which you need to do for your business is the market research. You need to conduct a market research. You need to find each small to small things, whatever related to your market. Because until unless you cannot do the market analysis, you are really not able to understand who is your target customer, what kind of challenges they are facing, what kind of options they are looking, and of course what kind of payments, what kind of money they have to spend. So all these answers you are going to get through the market research. The second thing you need to do is define your demographic and psychographic. You need to understand from where they belong to and from where they are having the business. And until unless you are not able to understand this thing, again this is going to be a big problem for you to identify your target customer. The third thing which you need to identify is create your detailed customer avatar. You need to make sure you know your customer very well. You need to make sure you know who they are and what kind of avatar they have. This is something you need to identify. Fourth thing, validate your avatar with the real data. You need to collect some real data from the market. You cannot make your assumptions for your business, because if you do that, definitely you are going to fail in your business. So you need to collect some real data. There are hundreds of sources available in the internet that you need to try so that you can match with your real data. Fifth, which is last but not least, is target avatars with tailored marketing strategy. You need to build your marketing strategy, how you are going to connect with your customer, what kind of things you are going to showcase them, what kind of things you are going to give them free for the trial. Until unless you are not having the right marketing strategy, you are not able to identify your target customer. So these are the 5 steps. Let me repeat again quickly. Conduct market research. Second thing, define demographic and psychographic. Third, create detailed customer avatar. Fourth, validate your avatar with the real data. Fifth, which is last but not least, target your avatar with the tailored marketing strategy. You must need to go through these 5 steps before you identify your target customer. I hope you found something unique in this video. Please mention your views in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.